is measurement of area. So what is an area? The amount of surface occupied by an object or a plane figure is called surface area. Supposing this remote, you can see this remote is kept on the white sheet. So the amount of surface area occupied by this remote is only the surface area. So how we are finding out surface area? So this is, you can see, in a rectangular shape. So for finding a surface area of a rectangular shape, we have the formula length into breadth. So while multiplying length into breadth, we will get the surface area of the rectangular object. Next we have unit of surface area. So what will be the SI unit? A square meter. So how we can prove that square meter? Because length is multiplied by breadth. So we have 2 squares meter. Like in this figure you can see, to find out the area of a regular shapes. So here you can see area of a rectangle, length into breadth. So supposing if we are given length as 5 centimeter and breadth 7 centimeters. So what we will do? We will just multiply 5 meter into 7 meter. So we are getting 7 5s are 35 meter square. And here if we want to find out the square area of a square. So we know that both the sides are equal here. So we are just squaring the value. Supposing this side 5 centimeter and this side 5 centimeters. So if we multiply 5 centimeter into 5 centimeters is 25 centimeter square. So this way the SI unit of surface area becomes meter square. So after SI unit we have multiple and submultiple units of area. So multiple is the bigger unit and submultiple is a smaller unit. So if we take meter square, so its multiple unit will be hectare. Why hectare? Because this hectare is a bigger unit, and if we want to measure the bigger areas like piece of land or a park, so we will take the measurement in hectare, and 1 hectare equals to 100 meter multiplied 100 meter. So that becomes 10,000 meter square. Some other units we have in multiple, that is square kilometer. Square kilometers can be used to measure area of a state, country or continent. So these two are the multiple units. Next we have submultiple unit. So for submultiple units we can measure in centimeter square or square millimeter. So this value we can take 1 square centimeter equals to 1 cm square, that is written in numerically. So 1 centimeter square means 1 cm multiply 1 cm. And if we want to convert the centimeter into meter, what we will do? We will just divide by 100. So 1 centimeter is converted. So we are writing 1 upon 100. And this again 1 centimeter is again to be converted in meter. So we are writing 1 upon 100. So this becomes 1 upon 10,000 meters square. And if we want to convert 1 square millimeter, so this becomes 1 millimeter. What we know that it is 1 upon 10 centimeter. So if we have 1 mm square, so 1 millimeter and 1 millimeter. So first we will convert this 1 millimeter and this 1 millimeter again. So we have 1 upon 10, 1 upon 10. So this becomes, on multiplying, 1 upon 100 centimeter square. Now we'll see the relation between these units. 1 kilometer equals to 100 hectare. So 100 multiplied 1 hectare. So now this 100 multiplied 100 multiplied 100. So why we have written 1 kilometer square equals to 100 hectare. So this 100 hectare multiplied 1 hectare. So 1 hectare we are again writing in 100 meter multiplied 100 meters. So this becomes 1 and 6 zeros meter square. And if we are writing 1 centimeter square equals to 1 upon 10,000 meters square. And now if we have 1 millimeter square equals to 1 upon 100 centimeter square, that is equals to 1 upon 1 and 6 zeros meter square. So this value which we have written here, so this is what meter square, but here we are writing this value is for 1 kilometer square and this value is for 1 millimeter square. So this is the smaller unit and this is the bigger unit.